beautiful, soothing Irish words to guide us inward in the meditation, for that is the purpose of a mantra. Mantra in Sanskrit means mind tool, and this course I interweave psychology and mythology. Here as a community, we will meditate together, and there is so much power in coming together and feeling that energy, particularly in these dark times. Many of us feel bullied into believing that masculine energy is the only way to pursue our dreams or to have purpose or to achieve goals. However, if we go back into ourselves and back into the ancient world, we can find feminine wisdom that can help us live our lives in a much kinder fashion. And that is how I will end each session of my meditation, in Mnáifesting. You've probably heard of manifesting. Well, I am taking the man out just for now and putting in that feminine energy, and we will sit Gaeilge here together and Mnáifest our kindest future, a future that is steeped in community and self-compassion and creativity.